Hello everyone, I am going to dictate you steno legal matter. Be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
However, that judgment is overruled by the recent decision of the Supreme Court in the case of Rohtas Singh reported in 2002 AD-SC 464 stop. In that case also the identical question had arisen in similar circumstances stop. The husband had obtained decree of divorce on the ground of desertion, and thereafter the wife applied for maintenance under section 125 of CRPC stop. The Supreme Court held that the defense under subsection within bracket 4 of section 125 of CRPC is available to the husband against the wife when the marriage is subsisting, and it would not be available after the marriage has been dissolved by a decree of divorce even at the instance of the husband, as there was no question of wife living in adultery when there was decree divorce between the parties, and that there was no question of wife refusing to live with her husband without any sufficient reason when there was a divorce between them, nor the parties could be said to be living separately by mutual consent after the decree of divorce is passed between the parties stop. Accordingly, the Supreme Court held that the divorced wife was entitled for maintenance from her husband in case she becomes destitute and was unable to maintain herself and has not remarried stop. This decision of the Supreme Court overrules the view taken in similar situation by the division bench of this court in Bhagwan's case referred to above stop. Para. Mr. Karnik then submitted that the decision of the division bench in this Bhagwan's case was based on the decision of a three-judge bench of the Supreme Court in the case stop. Since I was party to the judgment of the division bench in Bhagwan's case, it would be expedient for me to explain under what circumstances the above view was taken stop. The decision in the case of Johara Khaton pertains to the application made for maintenance by wife who had obtained divorce against the husband stop. No doubt it was a decision by three-judge bench of the Supreme Court where the main judgment of the court was delivered by Faisal Ali, while a separate concurring opinion was given by Justice Kaushal stop. No doubt in that case also the Supreme Court was considering the effect of explanation to subsection within bracket 1 of section 125 of CRPC stop. A distinction was made in the two clauses or limbs of the explanation, on limb being a woman who has been divorced by, and the other or has obtained a divorce from her husband